It's been making headlines in the last many weeks for the kind of atrocities being committed against the minority community, which is the Hindu community there, and the arrest now of a Hindu monk. How do you see it? Do you think there's a lack of global outrage on what's happening in Bangladesh?
I think the collective thinking, I don't know, I think that we have to rewire our thinking. I think human rights is a very convenient term for people across the globe. And this regarding Bangladesh is not the first time. Even in 2017 or 18, I had a discussion with one of our left party senior leaders. So I was asking them, how come human right violations happens only, why it is only for one particular community, why not any human right violation to anybody, irrespective of whether you belong to minority or majority, it doesn't matter. A violation of a human right by one individual to another individual should be condemned. Why? Unless, even if a minority representing a minority group is violating someone's fundamental human rights, I think he should be questioned or he should be condemned. Just in the name of minority and majority, why do we do that? When secularism means law applied equally to all, it is not one-way business, it's a two-way business. Why don't you do that? That was my question. And my pain for Bangladesh was, and this country has sacrificed for their country to be found. Our blood has been spilled. Our army Jawan's blood has been spilled. We lost our lives. We gave our natural resources. And I remember Sam Manekshaw, Field Marshal Sam Manekshaw saying it's the most difficult battle for them because it's against weather. It was in a torrential rainy season, around in rains, they had fought this battle. And I said, we had sacrificed, we're entitled to, I think, to seek justice for them, for Hindus who left out there. And everyone talks about how minorities should be treated in India. How come no one talks about minorities, how they're being treated in Pakistan or Bangladesh? Because it's very convenient. That's what I was asking left leaders. I said, why don't you speak about in this also? So in these reasons, and I look at it, it's a matter of time it can degenerate. If something happens in Palestine, if something happens in Arab world, something happens, even a simple violation of any kind, there will be great uproar because the collective thinking. When it comes to, because I'm not a fanatic Hindu, I'm not a mad Hindu, but I'm a very, it's like an average Hindu of this nation.